Hi to all marketers and online entrepreneurs, and hi to Team Fantastic. This is Francis Servande at sa short video na ito, pag-uusapan natin ang isang tool na makakatulong sa iyo para makuha mo ang iyong pangarap bilang isang entrepreneur. Pero bago yan, tatanungin muna kita. Gusto mo bang malaman kung ano ang meron sa lahat ng successful entrepreneurs at companies na nakatulong sa kanila to attract more customers at kumita ng malaki sa kanilang business? Yes, meron silang website o blog. Ito ang tumulong sa kanila to create brand, to cause traffic, capture leads, and convert sales. Ngayon, tatanungin kita ulit. Do you want a new blog or website to attract lots of prospects, generate leads, and build your business online? Kung yes ang sagot mo, I want to introduce to you Impact Instrument. Sa Impact Instrument, okay, this is the most easiest, most fastest, and most affordable tool to publish your content online. Okay. Okay. Sa Impact Instrument, hindi mo na kailangan magbayad ng mga professional web designer or developer. At kahit hindi ka techie, makakagawa ka ng blog or website using Impact Instrument. Okay, just create an account, customize your site, and start publishing your content. Okay, that's it. Ganun kadali ang Impact Instrument. So, stay tuned para sa next review and tutorials regarding Impact Instrument. This is Francis again. Bye!